Familia moro maya e gweng' ma Bokurati sub-county ma Nyamira North nitiere kod midhiero ka koro giywago wuodgi mong'ere kaka Shadrack Mosigesi ma jahigni 7 mano owito ngimane bang' chamo kit muogo moro e seche ma migago chieng' ngeso mokalo. Rawerano kaachiel gi familia mare kama oting'o wetene 4 kod min-gi nochamo muogono eka bang'e ne gichako winjo rem sa 5 otieno. Ne giwuok dhi e kar thieth to kata kamano Shadrack nowito ngimane e yo kapok gichopo e kar yudo thieth ma Nyamira Referral. Jatend osiptandno Laktar Angela Ogendi wacho ni muogono ema nonego rawerano kendo kelo hinyruok ne moko kuom familiano, muogo mawachore ni nomigi gi jirandgi.
Akabewa na huyu mwenye alimpea kazi huyu muogo. Huyu mama akakuja akaanza kupika, wakakula watoto lunch. Wakaendelea tu vizuri, wakafika masaa ya saa 5, watoto wakaanza kukomplain. Yaani wakisikia kizunguzungu na kugonjeka hivi na kuna nguvu, inaisha nguvu kabisa. Akaniita tukakuja, tukapeleka watoto ya Kerenyo. Tukafika Kerenyo, wakatibiwa, hakupata nafuu wote. Tukaambiwa referral to Nyamira. Tukakuja Nyamira, tukiwa njiani huyu mtoto mdogo akafariki.
On Friday night, we received 4 kids plus their mother who had been brought in a critical condition, but one child succumbed on arrival. The other one was critically ill, was admitted to our ICU. The other ones, we managed to stabilize them and discharge them home. The kids were brought in with the history of having consumed cassava that lunchtime. So in the evening, they started experiencing severe abdominal pains, vomiting, dizziness, difficulty in breathing, and the other one was brought in with a history of loss of consciousness, the one who is currently admitted at our ICU.